Hey guys, so today I'm doing a video about how I make my homemade laundry detergent. This cost about this much and it actually lasts for about 6 months, but I actually usually double the recipe. I'm not doing it today on camera because it'll take too long, but I do usually double the recipe and it can last you up to about a year. So one of the big reasons that I make my own laundry detergent is because a lot of detergent that you can buy in the store is actually really bad for you. And if you don't know, anything that goes on your skin can enter your bloodstream. And a lot of the ingredients in store-bought laundry detergent, even if it says free and clear, or even if it says no harsh chemicals, it likely still has some, and it's just labeled that way. But another thing to consider is anything with fragrance. Fragrance is a proprietary blend, so they don't have to disclose all the ingredients of that fragrance, and it can have a ton of harmful things masked by just that word. Okay, so I'm going to do a run through of the ingredients that you need, and I got all of these with the exception of the oils from Amazon, so I'm going to go ahead and include a price annotation for all of these items too. Just keep in mind that most of these, actually all of them, make multiple batches. So the first thing you're going to need, and I don't know if you can get this in the store, I've never seen it, but it's going to be citric acid. Okay, the next thing you're going to need, you're probably going to have to order, because I haven't seen this in Target or my grocery store, and it's going to be the natural washing soda. This one is organic. It's just, technically it's sodium carbonate, and which is also known as soda ash, and this is also a 2-pound bag, so this will last for many batches of laundry detergent. So this is the brand that I use, the Kirk's Castile, and this is fragrance free. You can get one with fragrance if you want to, but I think it's pointless because I like to customize and add what oils I want to it. But I got this from Amazon in a 3-pack, and this is the price. Also, I recommend getting a hand grater for this. I just found it easier, and I just use the smaller grain side, and you want to grind a bar of this up per one batch. So I'm probably actually going to use 3 of these because I want my detergent to last like forever, so I don't use this too often. And I just put this in a jar for now, oops, to show you what it looks like, but I'm going to be adding this into the detergent itself in a second. You're also going to be needing baking soda, and baking soda is super cheap, and you can just get a box or a big bag from your local grocery store. Okay, so then last thing that you're going to be needing, and this is totally optional. If you want to do it fragrance free, then you can just not add any oils, but oils, as long as you get a good brand like Young Living that are 100% pure and therapeutic grade, you might as well, because they're not harmful to you, and that way your clothes smell extra fresh. So I like to use peppermint, lavender, and lemon. Lemon is good because it will help kind of break down the gunk that's on your clothes. So my husband is a mechanic, and that really comes in handy. So the first thing you want to add is a half of a cup of baking soda, and I don't do like exact measurements, I just do approximate. So the next thing you're going to add in is the citric acid, and also do a half cup. And then you're going to be adding a full cup of washing soda. And I forgot to mention this in the beginning, but you're also going to be needing a 1/4 cup of sea salt. And now I'm just going to add in the 1 bar of castile soap that is already shaven up. And then I add my essential oils. And it all really depends on how strong you want the laundry detergent to be. I like it to be pretty strong. I'm adding probably about 8 drops of peppermint. About, I don't know, I didn't even count that. I go pretty heavy on the lavender. And then I also go pretty heavy on lemon because I love how it helps cut up grease and stains. Okay, and then once that's done, I usually mix it together with a spoon or spatula, whatever. And just make sure that all the ingredients are mixed together evenly. And then you pretty much have your laundry detergent. And you use about 1 tablespoon per load and 2 tablespoons if it's a really big load or a really dirty load. So I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, make sure you leave a comment or give me a thumbs up. Also make sure you subscribe to this channel because I do a lot of natural parenting type videos, so I would love to have you as a subscriber. Other than that, I hope you have a great day and I will see you in my next video.